This is the Roll-Pitch-Yaw to Euler Angle Converter, which transforms rotation sequences into their corresponding Euler angle representations. Let's examine the three input fields. First, we have roll, phi, degrees, where you enter the rotation angle around the longitudinal axis. Next is pitch degrees, for the rotation around the lateral axis. Finally, yaw, degrees, captures the rotation around the vertical axis. Each field accepts numerical values in degrees. For this demonstration, I'll enter sample values into each field. After entering your roll, pitch, and yaw angles, click the Calculate Euler Angles button. The converter processes these rotational inputs and determines the equivalent Euler angle representation based on the specified rotation sequence. The results section displays the converted Euler angles, showing how your input rotations translate into the standard Euler angle notation. This conversion is essential for robotics applications, aerospace engineering, and any system requiring precise orientation control. Understanding these transformations helps engineers implement accurate rotation sequences in their designs. Find the link in the description below.